Bit. I would like to request Naseem Kadri to present her paper regarding legal issues on income support, council tax, housing benefit and social housing, as well as if there is any dispute between landlord and tenant, how to resolve the problem and different challenges the people facing in the UK. Again, want to request her to elaborate everything friendly and kindly, please. Thank you.
Thank you. Excuse me. So just moving on now to the subject of income support. People will be affected in different ways depending on their circumstances. So just as if we cover it generally, the main benefits that are available are income support, housing benefit and council tax. Now these are paid if people, when they've completed their forms, are found to qualify, and there are various eligibility factors and questions. Mostly the main ones are, first of all, passing the habitually resident test. And what that means is if the immigration status is correct and people have got close ties and intend to live in the UK, then they will be assessed for the income support applications. Now, the basic tests also that for income support are that you need to be between the ages of 16 to 59, and then there are other various factors, whether you're a single parent, whether you're looking after a elderly relative, and maybe if for ladies, if they're expecting a baby. So there are those sort of factors involved, but the main criteria is that you are not allowed to have savings of more than £16,000 if you want to apply for any of the benefits. The simple way of looking at income support is this, that if you do qualify for income support, then you automatically qualify for council tax and housing benefit. Okay? Now, the benefit system isn't there just for people who are unable to work. If people are on a minimum wage and the income for the entire family is very low, then you're still able to put a claim in for housing benefit and for council tax. Now, what I've already explained to my colleagues and to the organisers is that the subject of income support is vast, and it mainly depends on everybody's individual circumstances. So what I've said is that at the end of the programme, if you have got your unique circumstances and you need to ask questions, then I will be available here for a one-to-one question and answer session, if that's fine. Now, these days, there is a lot of help available. If people are PC literate and they're used to working online, sorry, I'm being distracted. You can go on the internet and find out a lot of information, or you can even pop into the Citizens Advice Bureau. They're there, they're funded by the government precisely to help you with your questions. Solicitors aren't available every day, but Citizens Advice Bureau, you can pop in at any time.
Naseem जीले जुन चाहिँ कुराहरु उठाउनु भएको छ इन्कम सपोर्टको लागि रेसिडेन्ट हेबिचुअल टेस्ट चाहिँ सेटिस्फाई हुनुपर्छ, जसको मतलब यहाँ चाहिँ स्थायी रूपमा बसोबास गरेर आएको व्यक्तिहरूले चाहिँ के कस्तो अवस्थामा इन्कम सपोर्टहरू र हाउसिङ बेनिफिट र काउन्सिल ट्याक्स चाहिँ क्लेम गर्न सक्छ भन्ने कुराहरूमा भर्खर चाहिँ इस्युहरू एड्रेस भयो, जसमा चाहिँ 18 वर्षदेखि 69 वर्षको र सिङ्गल प्यारेन्ट्स र इन्कम थ्रेसहोल्डको हकमा सेभिङमा 16,000सम्मको रकम भएको व्यक्तिहरूले यसको लागि चाहिँ क्लेम गर्न सकिन्छ भन्ने कुराहरू चाहिँ आयो। र यसको लागि चाहिँ तपाईँले के भने अनलाइनबाट पनि अप्लाई गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ र कसैलाई त्यस्तो किसिमको समस्याहरू चाहिँ छ भने सिटिजन एडभाइस ब्युरो जसले चाहिँ फ्री लिगल एडभाइसहरू प्रोभाइड गर्छ, त्यहाँ गएर पनि तपाईँहरूले जानकारी लिन सक्नुहुनेछ।
Is that it from there? Okay. Apart from this, sorry, before I go on to the help that's available, there's one other important point, apart from the £16,000 saving, is that the household mustn't have somebody who's working for more than 24 hours, average 24 hours a week. And those are the two main eligibility criteria. Then moving on to the housing, the help agencies, there are various. The Citizens Advice Bureau, Internet, you can go to the local authority housing benefits section. So there's plenty of help available. Now, I've got telephone numbers here if anybody wants, or maybe if somebody wants to write it down. This is how you would start your claim. You would dial the telephone number for the local job centre plus office. It's an 0800 number, so it's free. 0800 055 6688. And you can have that at the end if you don't have a pen to write it down. Another important thing is this. Putting in an application is one thing, but then you also have to make a preparation of how you're going to receive the money. And these days, benefits are paid directly into a bank account. So you do need to make some preparations. Now, here, some people may find a little bit of difficulty just opening a bank account because banks are very strict with their background checks. In my experience, if you haven't been here for too long, then you need to have referees and bank other people to provide character reference.